welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be playing. Wait. Hi, over here. Ooh. Hi, it's me, Barbie. Hi guys. Today we are going to be unboxing my dream house, my 360 plate dream house. Can you believe that? Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Are you guys excited to unbox it with me? Yeah. Yes. So, my dream house, me, Barbie. This house contains 70 plus accessories, fully furnished, 4 feet wide, 3 feet tall, 8 rooms, 3 stories, working elevator for 4 dolls, pool and slide, lights and sounds, transforming furniture. Whoa! And a home office. But unfortunately, dolls and fashion are not included. Okay, let's see. Let's turn the box around and see what is up in the other side of this box. Whoa! Look what we have here. So many transformations. Office to a fireplace, bunk beds to couch, bed to coffee table, kitchen to an outdoor grill. And look, it's fully furnished rooms. Bedroom, living room, bathroom, office, kitchen, and garage. It even has its pool and slide, lights and sounds, the solar panels, recycling bin, and elevator for 4 dolls. Like I said, unfortunately, dolls and fashion are not included. Are you ready and excited to open my dream house?
Yeah.
Yay! Let's unbox it. I can't wait. So, are we ready to open the box?
Yeah.
Alrighty. In count of 3, let's open the box. 1, 2, 3. Open. Whoa! My dream house. My dream house. Look at that.
Whoa.
It's so pink. Oh no. What a mess. We're going to have to put it up like this. Whoa. We need help. Somebody help. Whew. That was exhausting. That took us a long time to fix the whole house. Yeah. Now which one is, wait. Can I get some cookies?
Okay.
Can you show me how to do the cookies?
I'm going to talk it.
Okay. So, Ziya, can you make us some cookies?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and make some cookies. Wow.
Dad.
Now you can put the cookies on top of the table then.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, you can just put it on top of the plate for now. Now, how about some tea that goes with the cookies? Whoa.
Mommy, do you pop Barbie in the house?
So we also added a couple of Barbies in the house. One Barbie is sleeping up top. One Barbie is chilling right here on the pool side. Well, slide. So we have one Barbie here that's sitting in the couch that turns into a bunk bed. And this is the office that turns into a fireplace. And then we have a working elevator here that goes up and down. Now Zishan is going to show us how to do the elevator. How does it go up? Zishan, can you show us? Oh. Good job. And now we also have this coffee table that turns into a bed and a kitchen outdoor grill. Well, it's a kitchen that turns into an outdoor grill. And we have here a toilet that actually makes a noise. Now you just press this and then it makes the noise, the flushing noise. What? And the Barbies can go ahead and slide here. Now we didn't add water yet in our pool. And Barbie also has a pet right down here.
It's woodway chocolate.
Yes.
Chocolate.
Well, okay, that's it for today. Today is just the unpacking of the Barbie dream house. In the next episode, we will go ahead and start playing with Barbie. Yes?
Yeah.
Who's going to be excited for the next episode of it? Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yay! Well, okay guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!